Welcome to 256, everybody. Me and Alan here in a little vehicle relocation here on the 4th of July. Everybody tune in with us. We got one on the trailer over there already, got started a little early. We're backing up to the trailer here now. Gonna hook to it, see if we can load something else. Trying to get the back headed towards the ramps. We gotta have some kind of video.
I got you smack you truck tires video on the phone.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, he gave Ryan
I need to post no.
15 seconds.
That's long enough for a smacking good time. All right, we're loading the Jeep up. Jeep's going on. We got the F-150 down that way. We're fixing to haul these two and unload. Then we'll be ready to load something else on. Weeds and all. See if we can make it fit on this trailer. Remember, precision driving. Clear? Check out that coyote. Yeah, let it down till you get close to it. We might have should have got it like that and then backed under it. Right there, whoa, whoa, whoa. You can get a little bit closer. Now go up. Okay. Mate, yeah, get ready to pull forward just a little. Go ahead and pull forward just a little. Right there. A little bit more. Right there. Oh, a little bit more. Cut your wheels. Need to throw the back end that way. No, the other way. Yeah, there you go. Now ease forward just a second. Right there. Well, let me go look at this side. Like money. Here goes number 3.
Had a strap dragging. We had to stop, get it put back up in there. We on the road again. We drug that thing back to get that tongue weight off of it, but it's still high in the front end. Those late Model 4 trucks like this one I'm driving are so heavy.
Well, I wish we could have been rolling the camera when we got that off with the tractor. It was a little tougher than we thought it was. But anyway, we got the cab over there. The red truck's on the side of that blue thing. Now here we're backing the Jeep in. It's gonna be right there beside that one. So it's a start anyway. We're gonna try to just put some right up through there, all the way up to that blue thing. I don't know, just try to go forward with it. We'll see what it looks like. You got any side shift? Yeah, that way. Maybe side shift. Let her down to level it up. That's a good toolbox. On today's episode, tell them, there you go. Maybe let me pull forward a little bit.
Okay.
Let me pull forward a little bit. Ah, yeah. Much better. One more down, now we gotta load something else up. Right, we got this little Grand Prix here, little G-body. See if Alan can use a forklift to make it do a G-body shuffle like he did that F-150. We'll have to make sure we put that at the beginning of the video. If you're watching this video, comment if I put it at the beginning of the video, because I'll probably forget. Fan over there. Oh, if you're wondering, the brakes on that little Betsy ain't the best in the world. We need a cameraman. All right, I'm gonna back up. I gotta back the trailer up. This trailer here, the fender comes off of, so that'll make it a little easier on them loading. You can put a fork right between them tires. That and over there, we have to get in front of the tires, and it makes it load it front heavy. Whoa. You may want to bring a front a little bit. See if you can get the front to come a little bit. Just the front of the car. The back's good. The front needs to go over some. There it is, number 4, 5. There it is. Two more on the road. Okay, we got the Ford truck off. Now Alan's back in the Grand Prix up in there. There's other Ford truck I was telling you about. We got a building up there we're gonna try to put it in. Now we got the Grand Prix here. Boy, it's hot right here, this spot. There's no air because of all them trees. Can you see me? Right here. A little bit. Right there. Oh, to go between them? We'll make it work. Here we go. It's the last one for today. Last one, our video. A little something special with this one. Show you in later videos, but we'll fix load it up and we'll be done for today. Beautiful. 256 garage out.